Honor's latest smartphone called Honor X7c is now official in Azerbaijan, with magic capsule feature for notifications. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X7c features a tall 6.77-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 850 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor X7c sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5,200 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Magic OS 8 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.9 by 76.8 by 8.24mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X7c has been priced in Azerbaijan for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 360 Azerbaijani manats, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 410 Azerbaijani manats. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in moonlight white, black, and green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X7c smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.